If you're looking for the best waterproof camera backpacks, you're in the right place. Whether you're a professional photographer or an adventurous traveler, having the perfect backpack to protect your gear from water and weather is essential. In this video, we'll explore the features, benefits, and reasons why you should invest in a reliable waterproof camera backpack. We've done the hard work for you by researching hundreds of products, so you don't have to. Stay tuned as we reveal the top 5 waterproof camera backpacks, each offering unique advantages to fit different needs. Don't forget to check out the links to these amazing products in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. Waterproof Camera Bag Photo Cameras. Backpack by Dutry UX. This backpack is a great choice for photographers who value versatility and lightweight design. It accommodates various types of cameras, including DSLRs, mirrorless systems, and point-and-shoot cameras, along with essential accessories like lenses and tripods. The nylon material ensures durability, while its compact style makes it perfect for portable travel. However, it lacks some advanced padding that premium models offer, and the design might feel basic for professional photographers. That said, its affordable price and practicality make it a reliable option for casual and beginner photographers looking for an all-in-one solution. Number 4. JINNUOLANG Professional Digital SLR Camera Backpack. This backpack stands out with its spacious design and multiple compartments, making it perfect for professional photographers carrying multiple cameras and accessories. It includes a tripod holder and waterproof rain cover, ensuring your gear stays protected in outdoor settings. Despite its large size, the bag remains lightweight at just 0.9 kg, making it ideal for hiking and travel. On the downside, the build quality may not match high-end models, and its generic design might lack the premium feel some users desire. Nevertheless, the JINNUOLANG offers excellent value for those needing a budget-friendly option with plenty of storage. Number 3. BAGSMART Camera Backpack. The BAGSMART backpack offers an ideal combination of functionality and style. Designed to fit laptops up to 15.6 inches, it features anti-theft compartments and a rain cover for added security and weather protection. Its layout is perfect for photographers balancing work and photography, making it suitable for urban and outdoor use. The main drawback is that the laptop compartment might feel snug for larger laptops, and some users might find the padding less robust than competitors. Still, its thoughtful design and added security features make it a practical choice for modern photographers. Number 2. Waterproof Outdoor Camera Backpack by Weilin Meng. This backpack is a professional photographer's dream, with a design that supports not only cameras and lenses, but also drones and 17-inch laptops. Its durable canvas material ensures long-lasting use, while the waterproof feature keeps your gear safe during outdoor adventures. The large capacity and thoughtful compartments make it a versatile choice for various equipment. The trade-offs include its heavier weight and bulkier design, which may not be ideal for casual users or short trips. However, for serious photographers requiring extensive storage and protection, this backpack is a top contender. Number 1. K&F Concept 22L Large Capacity Camera Backpack. The K&F Concept backpack takes the top spot with its outstanding design and large 22L capacity. It's equipped with a rain cover, tripod holder, and dedicated compartments for multiple cameras, lenses, and accessories. Made of durable EVA material, it offers excellent protection while remaining lightweight and easy to carry. Its premium price might deter budget-conscious buyers, and the size could feel excessive for those with minimal gear. However, its unmatched durability, functionality, and professional design make it the ultimate choice for photographers seeking the best waterproof camera backpack.